Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to invite participants to Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, click the Participants button from the bottom toolbar. The Participants panel will open on the right side of the screen. Now click the Invite button. You will see different invitation options available in Zoom Workplace. The easiest method is to click Copy Invite Link. Zoom will copy the meeting link to your clipboard automatically. Now open WhatsApp, Messenger, Gmail, or any other messaging app. Paste the Zoom meeting link and send it to the person you want to invite. In this video, I'm sending the invite link through WhatsApp as a demonstration. Anyone who receives the Zoom meeting link can click it and join the meeting. If the meeting requires a passcode, Zoom will ask the participant to enter the passcode before joining. You can invite participants before the meeting starts or while the meeting is already in progress. This method is useful for online classes, business meetings, team discussions, interviews, and family meetings. After sending the invitation, return to Zoom and continue the meeting normally. That's how you can invite participants to Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.